short introduction of my Android app, that is e-commerce app used with the help of Django, REST API framework, and the Java programming. So this is the so here is my app. So it will fetch the uh, data from the Django backend. So this is the all the products added to the database. So we will start with sign up. Username, you can have any username, GHT, or if you get confused, you will not get confused by entering easy username. So this is my email address. So the email address field is mandatory, and passwords, and re-entering the password. So uh, GHJ is our username. So sign up. So sign up is successful. Now you can see two options, but if now we try to uh, add to cart the product, then it says that you have to make a profile to add. So we will make a profile. So my name is Chintamani. These are all mandatory fields. So balance, uh, actually I wanted to link uh, a payment gateway to get the balance details, but I am working on that, and I will be doing it sooner. So for illustration purpose, I have made balance uh, to be entered by user. So let's say I will enter 70,000, and my age is this, and my address is HGGS Boys Hostel, just TL, Nanded. So I will click on create profile, then profile is created. So you can update the address as you can see on the top bar, and again a thing, if we try to add to cart, then it says that you have to verify email firstly, so that you can get the notifications of your purchase. So we can click on verify email, and the OTP is sent successfully to this email address. So we will soon get the OTP. So I think okay, so this is my email address, and if we so this is the email confirmation OTP from cmpatil.pythonanywhere.com, which is on which the backend of this app is hosted. So 413488 413488 is our OTP, and if we press submit OTP, then the email is successfully verified. So you can now add to cart, but initially the cart is empty. As you see, there are no products in cart. So add to cart, if you want to see all the images, then if we click here, then you can see all images of this. So basically the Android is fetching after you click, so it is taking a bit longer to load the images, but the efficiency is improved as it is not uh, fetching at the start. If we click the product, then it will fetch the all images of the product of the the product click. So this, then you can add the product to cart. So we can click add to cart, then it will ask for confirmation. So if we cancel, then it will do nothing. And if a product is not available, that is currently out of stock, then you cannot get the option of adding the product to cart. So if you add this product to, so this product is available, so you can add the product and press ok. So your cart has, this product has been added to your cart. This is Asus 6Z. So go to cart, then this is, but later if we want to cancel this order, so we can remove it from the cart before buying. So remove from cart. So if we cancel, then it will do nothing. If we press ok, then the cart, as we had only one product in cart, so the cart will be empty now. So if we add this product Lenovo, or let's say Mi-A2 to cart, and if we press ok, then go to cart, and if we buy the product, then it will uh, ask for verification. So if we press ok, then product purchase in progress, and the product has been successfully purchased. So, and also after getting the informed on the app, also you get informed on the email. So if you refresh, then you will get, you have purchased our product Mi-A2 worth rupees 10599 from cmpatil.pythonemail.com. Thanks for buying our product. And you can email us at cmp151999 at the rate. So basically I am working on it for getting the suggestions. By getting the suggestions, I will make the changes. So also you can remove the product from the cart. This is a completed transaction, so there is no buy option here. So you can now remove it from your, this is like a receipt. So after getting the email, maybe you want to remove it from your purchase list. So remove from the cart, okay. So deletion in progress, and the cart, as there are no products in cart, so the cart is empty. So also we can update the address from here. Let's say Solapur Murarji, I mean so Murarji Pet, Solapur, and it's basically Murarji Pet, Solapur. So update address, the, so the profile gets updated. Now if we tap on update profile, and if we want to change again the email address, or the balance has been deducted, as we have purchased the product, we have purchased Mi-A2, so its worth is 10,599. so 10,599 rupees are deducted from our account. Only remaining are 59401.0. so we can update profile from here, age if I want, and if I update email from here and update profile, then your email is no longer verified as you have changed. So you have to again verify your email address. So verify email, or if we click, then it will be sent on, OTP will be sent on your email address. So this is my email address. If I refresh, then 5, what is it, 858494. So 858494, 858494. So submit OTP. So OTP is the email is not is now verified. So you can update other details like your name or surname or age, or the most important is address. So I have made this address bar to quickly update the address. There is no need to go to update profile. You can update the address right here. So if we update here, it's okay, it will be updated. Or if we update again here, then it will be updated. So this is the overview of my app. Thank you.